In the second day of jury selection in the Curtis Vance murder trial. Vance is charged in the death of anchorwoman Ann Presley. Today, some were wondering if Vance will be able to get a fair trial. That's a sentiment Vance himself voiced today. Fox 13's Jill Monier was inside the courtroom. She has more from Little Rock.
The judge is looking to seat 12 jurors with 2 alternates. Monday, it took 11 hours to seat 8 jurors. The suspect, Curtis Vance, has been sitting in on jury questioning Monday with his head down writing, but Tuesday looking more directly at the jurors. He told Fox 13 he doesn't think he can get a fair trial, but one dismissed juror we spoke with thinks otherwise.
Vance, do you think the jurors so far will be fair?
28-year-old Curtis Vance says he's not happy with the 8 jurors selected Monday, 3 black women and 5 white men. Assistant Dean of Bowen Law School, Felecia Epps, says don't judge a jury by its cover.
They're searching for jurors again who can be fair, and just because you fit a certain demographic doesn't mean you'll either necessarily identify with either the victim in this case or the defendant.
He's in Arkansas, he's in Little Rock. I would expect him to get a fair trial.
After 2 days of waiting, 91-year-old potential juror Bill Spradlin was dismissed without being asked any questions. He's just one of many let go during jury selection this week.
Figured I'm 91 and probably it'd be kind of too much.
Tuesday, one potential juror was dismissed when he said he had a bias, another when he said he felt Vance needed to prove himself innocent, and a third when she said she could not impose the death penalty, something required for jurors sitting in on this case.
I think that it is, and as it goes on and they think more and more about what their actual feelings are, that they will come forward and say those things, and I think that it is a good thing. They're taking the instructions that they've gotten so far from the judge very seriously.
Vance is on trial for the 2008 beating, death, and rape of Little Rock anchorwoman Ann Presley. He pleaded not guilty to capital murder, burglary, and rape. The case was highly publicized, and a record 100-plus jurors were summoned. 4 were dismissed immediately after admitting they could not be fair. Some think it's going to be tough for Vance to get a fair trial in Little Rock.
Because of the media publicity and all the attention that's been given to Little Rock, I don't think he'll get a fair one here.
I just don't think nobody can get a fair trial on a murder case like that in their town.
A change of venue was discussed, but a judge denied the request. Now attorneys are being methodical in questioning potential jurors on their knowledge of the case, making sure they haven't made up their minds. Some believe there are still plenty of open minds in Little Rock.
He should get a fair trial here.
What it is, if he know he did it, guilty. If not, he should have nothing to worry about.
The judge still expects opening arguments to begin Wednesday. Tonight, as jurors are questioned about pretrial publicity, news crews come from near and far. See for yourself tonight at 9. In Little Rock, Jill Monier, Fox 13 News.